We checked in, unpacked, and went to Aquaplex, an indoor pool. I only did one thing there, and that was going on the water slide. Got a lot wet. I got lots wet. Flagstaff, Arizona. It was a beautiful city, and there was lots to do. It was good. It was the best. It was fun. Actually, everything was fun. We took a 2-hour and 15-minute train ride to the Grand Canyon and 2 hours and 15 minutes back. I'm not the train fan, but I actually enjoyed it because I got to see lots of animals. Going to Bearizona and on the train. Grand Canyon. That was actually very, very beautiful once I got there. I looked down. I was afraid to look down at first. Then once I looked down, I actually enjoyed looking down. Yes, I really enjoyed my trip at the Grand Canyon. I liked when we were on the Red Rock. We went to a place called Cracker Barrel. We played checkers and bought checkers from there. I ate mac and cheese, and that was really good. Mac and cheese, they're the best. Day 3, we went to Bearizona, the outdoor wildlife park. The place is called Bearizona, so we saw a bunch of bears there at Bearizona. Black bears, junior black bears. The bears and the bird show. They even have a bear school there. I really enjoyed watching the animals. We saw McDonald's with blue arches, the one and only. It was actually really beautiful looking at it because it actually fit with the red rock that was there. That was very pretty. It reminded me that I felt like I was at the Grand Canyon because it was like red rock at the Grand Canyon. Well, I didn't like it because we didn't eat there. That night we went to an observatory called Lowell, up in the mountains to see different planets instead of Earth. We saw a 100-year-old telescope up in the focused on the moon and Saturn when we were there. Oh yeah, and we also got to see a planet called Mars. Mars and the moon. And we got to see the science projects that someone did with liquid nitrogen, which is below 300 degrees, like 315 degrees negative.